only a sketch, you see. It's not that perfect. Catching it all already. Really, it's too wet. Where am I here? Well away, haven't I? See, I think I should use a pen really, but I've never been one for watercoloring. Now I've got this pen, is it better? What am I doing now? Oh, look, I'm rubbing it all off with my hands. But, now, dry your brush off altogether with a piece of rag and put a little bit of light red on the end of it, and let's see what we can do. And we'll do the same on this one. And then we'll do the light red on this. There. Now with that, you can put a bit of blue on top. Just turn it down. This is the same. Put a bit of brown in it. Put that on there. In that red there, put a little bit of umber into it. I'm just making it so they stand out different to one another. Okay, now these sides here, that's it in the sunshine. So is that and that. And that's not. That is, but that's not. So we'll need again a little bit of umber, put a little bit of blue in it, and it'll make a dirty colour like that. There, see, that's your umber there, see, that's your blue. And let's see what it's like before we go much further. Have we tried that? I think we have. So this is the shady side, see? It's like a grey colour. Now that is a bit of, I said, your umber and a bit of your blue cobalt. And here we have on here, again, there, and that one there, and there. That there. Now, we'll have a little bit from that tree. Now this is only for starters. We'll be adding 2 in a minute. We'll use it for that. And we'll have half of it, a bit of dark on it. Now we'll dry it off. Put a little bit of dark there. Now we'll dry that off. Now we've dried that off, so we can put a little watch when we put a little bit of blue. Say you take a little bit of cobalt blue like that, and you get a little bit of your alizarin blue, you can see what happens. It makes it into a purple. Well, that purple can add as a shade there and there for that. A nice shade under there. Nice shade there, and we'll put a little bit on there, and also here. Now we may have it a little darker, but that we'll choose it in a minute. So we'll darken it up now. That's a bit more stronger blue. And a bit more stronger alizarin. So that's it there, see? And we'll just put it there, it might look better on there. For our dark. Now, our next thing, we'll put some colour across here. Get yourself some burnt umber. You see, you're putting burnt umber on any blue. See, that's an ultramarine, put that with it. and that's your shade. See, that is your shade. Wet it a bit more, and that is your shade across here, see, of a cloud. It will dry lighter, don't jump at conclusions. See what I'm doing? I'm just putting it across, like that. And you can now put a little bit of lemon to that, and a bit more ultramarine to it. And you can put this as on the other side, catching up with it. There. And that one. Now a bit more blue in it if you want, make it a bit more greeny. Like that. Now we'll dry that off. Now, I'm going to put some trees in here. Filling in the centre. And you can also put a little bit of yellow into that. Cad yellow, a bit fine. Let's have a see. See, like that. Now here we go on the other side. Same height. Notice how I'm bringing it over in a sweep. Now you can bring darker as you come down here. Now we're not going to do it too dark, otherwise you won't be able to. Try and get it somewhere near this colour I'm using here. Now as you come in lower, you can either have a little bit of brightness in it, just about here, and then a bit of dark brown if you want. Under the bottoms of the trees to here. That bit of I'll let you leave it at that one. Thanks for looking in, everyone. What's pushing in at the top there? Bye for now. Thanks very much for looking in.